Cody Bird had a monster day, number 1, 13 pounds and an ounce. Remember that tie we talked about a minute ago, folks? I don't think it's going to be happening anymore, at least for today, because Cody Bird needs 9 pounds, 8 ounces to take the lead, and he goes ahead and drops 11 pounds and 9 ounces on the scales to take the lead at 24-10. Your new leader, Team Skeeter Yamaha's Cody Bird. Let's take some photos for Bassmaster.com. How about Cody Bird getting it done? Woo, all right, give Cody a big round of applause. 24 pounds and 10 ounces, your new leader.